AI can write articles, answer questions, and help you work faster, but it can also leak confidential data, make things up, and confidently tell you the wrong answer. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the biggest risks of using AI and how to use it ethically. Let's talk about the big picture first. The risks of using AI usually come from how we use it, what data we give it, and how much we trust its answers. Let's go through the main risks one by one. First, internal data exposure. When you paste personal or company information into an AI tool, such as copying internal emails or customer lists into a chatbot, you may be exposing sensitive data because that information that you've just copied and pasted may be logged, stored, or reviewed depending on the AI tool. On that note, you should never paste confidential information, always use anonymized examples, and follow best practices for AI usage. Essentially, treat AI like a public space, not a private notebook. Second, bias outputs. AI can reflect biases from the data it was trained on, which includes giving unfair assumptions about particular subjects. AI cannot define fairness, it simply repeats patterns, meaning if its training data was biased, that inevitably would lead to biased answers. On that note, you should ask for multiple perspectives and not use AI as the final decision maker for sensitive topics. Next, knowledge fabrication. AI can confidently make up facts or sources, such as citing studies or regulations that don't actually exist. It sounds confident even when it's wrong. On that note, you should always fact check important information and verify the sources of information. Remember, confidence does not always equal correctness. Fourth, sycophantic outputs. AI often agrees with you even when you're wrong. You say, this idea is perfect, and AI supports it as is. You may then reinforce bad decisions or false beliefs. On that note, you should ask AI to challenge your idea and seek human feedback for important decisions. Fifth, outdated models. AI may not know the latest news or updates. This is because training data has a knowledge cutoff. For example, GPT-3 by OpenAI, its knowledge cutoff was 2021. So if you asked who won the 2022 FIFA World Cup, it would not know the answer. And as a result of that, you may use information that is no longer true. On that note, you should check dates and timelines, plus always verify them with current resources. To recap, don't share confidential information, watch out for bias, fact check fabricated answers, challenge overly agreeable responses, and verify up to date information. So, that's a few important pointers on how to use AI ethically so as to mitigate its risks. If this helped you use AI more ethically, please like this video and comment which AI risks you want explained deeper next. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in my next video to explore more fundamentals in AI.